Hi, welcome. Here's your Saxon lesson 89 for today. This is for Thursday, February 4th. Okay? Lesson 89. So you're going to get out your spelling high frequency word practice paper 89 that looks like this. If you don't have that out, then you should pause the video now and go get it. Okay, now that we are all ready, today we are going to go over only our sight word cards. So let me take out the sight word cards. Sight word cards are cards that you should know by sight. That means by memorization. You should not, that's why I go through them very quickly. You should not be sounding them out. All right, you ready? And go. Excellent. Good job. All right. So now let's go ahead and get started. Let's practice. Put your finger, sorry, I kind of stapled it backwards. Just go to the page where it says spelling sound review, and it has 1 through 9 where it says spelling sound review. That's where we're starting. Next to number 1, I want you to write D. The letter or the letters that make the sound D. That's D, final D, comma, ED. Excellent. Number 2, Z. That's Z, comma, S. Number 3, A. That's A, consonant E, comma, A, final AY. Number 4, O. O, consonant E, comma, O, final OW. Good job. Number 5, Ch. That's CH, final, CH, comma, TCH. Excellent. Number 6, Ng, NG. Number 7, final stable syllable shun. That's TION. Number 8, J. J, comma, G, final DGE, comma, GE. Number 9, K. That's K, comma, C, final CK, comma, K, comma, KE. Excellent. So your paper should look like this. I'm sorry, I know I went kind of fast. I didn't even realize it till the end. But your paper should look like this. If you need to make corrections or get anything that you did not get, please pause the video now. All right, let's move on and practice some review words. Next to number 10, I want you to write the word coin. Coin. Coin is spelled C-O-I-N. Number 11, write the word zero. Zero. Zero is spelled Z-E-R-O. Next to number 12, write the word contest. 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 C-O-N-T-E-S-T. Contest. Next to number 13, where it says sight words, write the word whose. Whose. W-H-O-S-E. Very good. W-H-O-S-E. Number 14, change. 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 C-H-A-N-G-E. Excellent. Next to number 15, write the word country. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Your paper should look like this. If you need some time to write that down, pause the video now. Okay, moving on. Let's look at the sentences. For number 16, I want you to write down, let's write it out loud together first, okay? Show me your hands. You ready? The car ran out of gas and quit. Period. Again. The car ran out of gas and quit. Period. Very good. Pause the video now and write that down. Okay, so your paper should look like this. The car ran out of gas and quit. So make sure you have this written down. If you need some time, you can pause the video now. Okay. All right. Echo these words and listen for a sound that they all have in common. Echo means repeat, okay? Claw, jaw, paw. What sound do you hear in all three of these words? Aw. Very good. Aw. Look at these words and see what is making that sound. Let's look. We have claw, jaw, paw. What is making the aw sound? A-W. Excellent job. A and W. What do you think A-W is? It is a digraph. That's right. A-W is a digraph. It makes the same sound as digraph O-U. How do we code a digraph, class? We underline it. So we're going to underline A-W in claw, in jaw, and in paw. What other coding do we need for the word claw? What about that C? K, k. Makes the K, so it needs a K back, just like that. Claw. Very good. All right. We can use the word claw in a sentence by maybe saying the cat has a long claw. Okay. All right. Moving on. This is letter card A-W. Every time we see this card, we're going to say digraph A-W. Say it. Very good. Our new keyword for A-W is straw. So whenever we see this card, we're going to say straw. Say it. Very good. All right. So now the new sounds we're going to write when we hear aw, we've learned two sounds for aw. We've learned A-U and A-W. So on number 1 where it says new sounds in words, I want you to write down the sound we just learned, which is aw. So whenever I say aw, you're going to write A-U final A-W. Very good. It's going to look like this. A-U final A-W. Digraph A-W is sometimes hard to spell. It makes a sound that is very similar to short O. Therefore, we have a chart in our student spelling reference booklets that help us with these words. And I'll show you when we get back. It's in our dictionaries. All right. Let's see. Let's practice some high-frequency words that have the sounds aw. So next to number 2, I want you to write the word raw. The meat is raw. You cannot eat it raw. That means it's not cooked. Raw is R-A-W. Number 3, straw. S-T-R-A-W. S-T-R-A-W. 4, outlaw. Outlaw. O-U-T-L-A-W. So your paper should look like this. Now let's go through and read the high frequency words together. and then you are going to make up 2 sentences using 1 word in each sentence, okay? Let's read these words together. Where is it? All right. Now, saw, draw, page, earth, heard, several, America. Excellent job. Go ahead and come up with 2 sentences for that. Make sure you use a capital letter, period at the end, and you highlight the words you've used. And then you're going to go ahead and complete worksheet and homework page 87 on your own. I'm sorry, 89. You need to code the words and answer the questions like we always do. When you're done, you can turn that into me. And make sure you study for your spelling test today because you are going to take your spelling test tomorrow. Someone at home will give you your spelling test and you're going to send me what you've done. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.